Hey everyone, it's Rita from Miss Rita to the Rescue. I wanted to just pop in real quick. Oh, here's my videos. There we go. Just popping in real quick in the middle of the day to tell you that Cricut has launched some brand new infusible ink blanks, and I want to show you them. They are now available at the Cricut Shop, and although they're not on sale, usually when something's introduced, there's I'm good, Andrea. Hi, Emmy. Andrea, I'm really good. I have my fourth and final. Oh, yeah, I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I just want to show you these new blanks from Infusible Ink with Cricut. And I was saying that there's some really great variety here, and they are available in the Cricut Shop. And if you use my link and my code, you'll save 10%, but they are retail. Usually when you have a new item at Cricut, they wait a few months before they go on sale. But I wanted to let you know about them. There's a wine bottle or a beverage bottle. Hi, Bren. Hi, Amy. This is a beverage bag. It's 5.75 inches by 13 with a tassel here. And again, these are for infusible ink. It's 6 by 9, and it appears to be, I wrote on the back, but I smudged it. It looks like it's $9 for the beverage bag. That'll be great for the holidays when you're visiting people and you want to bring them a gift, not just wine, but other beverages as well. Then I'm so looking forward to playing with these, and we'll do a video on them. These are cosmetic bags. There's 3 of them, and they are 3 for $10. There's 2 that are 9 by 6, and they have the zipper. See? And there's one that is 9.5 inches by 7.5, so it's a large one. So you get 2 mediums and 2 large. Okay, and they are $10 for all 3, which that's a pretty good deal, I think. All right, and then these are really cool. I can't wait to do something with these. These are Pillow Shams. They're blank Pillow Shams. You don't get the inside. It's a great way to jazz up your house. They're 18 by 18 inches. Now I'm going to show you up real close because this one is cream and this one is white. It's very subtle. The difference is very, very subtle. And let's see, they're both $9.99. They're 18 inches square. And they have a zipper closure. So once you're done with what you're doing, and you could do, I bet you could do, like for the holidays, like for Thanksgiving or something, you could do something on one side and then flip it over and do something for Christmas or New Year's on the other side, or Hanukkah or anything like that. So the difference is, this is the white and this is the cream. I think the cream it's a little more, you can see a little more of the weave there. This is a little more subtle weave. And then lastly, at least for the Cricut Shop, lastly, they've introduced toddler shirts, toddler t-shirts. A lot of people were asking for them. This is a 4T. These are pre-shrunk, remember? And it comes in a 2, 3, and 4T. And again, these are for use with the infusible ink. Remember, they just launched a whole bunch of infusible ink, and it is a 95% polyester. And let's see, how much are these? I think they're $7.99. $7.99. So 2T, 3T, 4T. So if you're going to purchase these on Cricut, make sure you use my link, and I'll put it in the video. But again, there's a beverage bag. There are these 2 Pillow Shams in white and cream, and then I think my favorite are these 3 cosmetic cases. We'll do a video on one of these items so that you can see how it works out with infusible ink. These are for infusible ink. Now I have heard that, whoa, I have heard that the folks over at Cricut are, let's see, they partnered with Joann's and they came out with these raglan tees, but they won't be available at Cricut they won't be available at Cricut for a couple of months. So if you like those raglan tees, which they're cute, they have like a different color here. They're white with like a ring neck, and you'd have to go to Joann's and buy them, or joanns.com to buy them. I've also received some feedback. People are looking for the card mat for their, oh, sorry, I am just pressing all the buttons today. They're looking for the card mat, and I believe it's back in stock now at Cricut.com. So do make sure to check over there. You might not be able to find it at the retail stores, but I think it's available at Cricut. So that's it. I didn't want to take up too much of your time. And Dawn, you're visiting with your family. Yeah, I think those pillowcases are a really great idea. And I can't wait to do like something on one side and something on the other side. Like I was thinking like maybe Halloween on one side and Thanksgiving on the other. And then I could do like a Christmas and then flip it over and do winter on the other. Maybe we'll do that. So we'll have fun with those. And that's it. I just wanted to come and tell you all about these brand new things. So thanks so much for popping in with me. I know I spoke a long time today, so I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I'll see you again tomorrow when we do those 2 Father's Day cards, one from SVG Cuts and the other one from Dreaming Tree, and then Saturday night at 7 o'clock for date night when we put together this gazebo, which I'm already cutting out. Okay? Yeah, both sides I think would be a great idea. Cosmetic bags too, I think that's a great idea. And I'm hoping maybe I'll do some that are like pool oriented for the cosmetic bags, because I hear that the pool is going to reopen. I go swimming all the time, so I often will go and shower there, because my bathroom, you can hear the guys working on it. My bathroom has been sort of iffy for a while, so I can't wait to get back to the pool just to take a good shower and also to get a nice swim in. So thanks everybody for coming. We'll see you again tomorrow, bright and shiny, 9 a.m. Miss Rita to the rescue, and make sure you're following me so you get notified, or you can catch me on the replay at YouTube or in any one of my groups. Have a great day, everyone.